My name is Karina and I've been with First Texas for 8 years.
My name is Ashley and I've been working here for a month and a half.
Hello, my name is Luis Angel. I've been working here about almost 7 years.
My name is AJ. I've been working here about 2 weeks.
My name is Jared. I've been here for going on a month.
My name is Mikey Housen. I've been working at First Texas Honda for 12 years.
When a customer is in need of services or the customer broke down and you fix the car and they leave out of here happy.
The most rewarding part about being a technician at First Texas Honda is learning. I never stop learning.
As a technician, the most rewarding part of my job was being able to take somebody's vehicle, figuring out why that vehicle was not working properly, fixing those issues and getting the customer back on the road so they can take their kids to school, get back to work, all of those things.
I like working with my hands. I like fixing people's problems. It's pretty easy work at this point for me in my life.
The support system within our shop is second to none. It's world class. If you have any questions or if you ever come across something you've never encountered before, there are multiple people here with high skill levels that will always stop doing what they're doing to come over to help you out.
There's a lot of support in this shop. There's a lot of people that have been here for years and know the in and outs of this place, as well as new people that are informative. I'm new. I know a certain amount, but whenever I learn some knowledge, I like to pass it on to whoever else needs that knowledge. So yeah, there's a great support system here.
The support system is great. They're always encouraging for you to be the best person you can be for yourself, and there's always room to grow.
Being here at First Texas Honda, you have to learn to be an initiator, and that comes with being a leader in terms of taking that first step, no matter if you're second guessing yourself. So just initiating everything is really a big part.
The training opportunities here is great. They will send you to school to advance in your career. We also have great master technicians in the shop that are always willing to help.
I've already experienced a lot of training opportunities, not only from people above me, but also a lot of online learning.
Oh wow, that's a lot because you have to go to the IN University and get update. So you learn and you put something and to work on it, you know. It's very amazing, it's pretty good.
I would recommend First Texas Honda just because the colleagues here and the support here is really amazing. They're going to support you no matter what you're going through, no matter if you have all the tools or not.
Great benefits, good pay, and then also a very diverse workplace. There's a lot of really educated people that work here, and they're really good at what they do. Definitely better than some of the smaller shops. I've worked at quite a few small shops.
I would recommend First Texas Honda to another technician because as a technician myself, I'd worked for multiple places for about 6-7 years before starting here. And I would say that First Texas Honda and CAG in itself has completely changed my entire life.
It's a great environment to be around other techs that have the experience and the knowledge, and a great place to learn. It's a big facility. It's all climate controlled. The doors close and operate manually and automatically. Everything's pretty much close knit. Things that you need are in each part of the department. You have access to everything that you need here, for sure.
Definitely for music, I really like downtown. You know, one of my favorites is Empire Control Room, and then Narbar as well.
The Concourse Project.
Yeah, there's a lot of places here in Austin. I mean, we have Barton Creek, I mean, just to say something, but there's a lot of things. I mean, a lot of places where we can go and have a good time.
You know, I used to when I was in my 20s and 30s, but now I have 2 little girls, a wife, a home that's very expensive, so I like to spend most of my time in the home that I'm paying a lot of money for.
Top Notch is right around the corner from here. I like going there. I also like Dos Batos Tacos. It's a great spot to go to.